Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to make this little card. I created this scrapbook paper, pattern paper from a shell that I collected in North Carolina, and I pulled the texture and the colors from it, so I thought it was kind of cute. And I just wanted to make a little card. We're going to start a little bit slow with some of our pop-up mechanisms. This is not really a pop-up per se, but it's got a little added bonus, so it's just in case you forgot. I love you. It's just a cute little card. It's it'll fit in, I think it's an A4, I don't know, whatever the envelope size is. It's a half of a sheet of 8.5 by 11. So you're going to get the pattern paper, and you'll get the SVG files to make this, and obviously you can see you'll have a video too. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to get this card put together. You're going to have a big piece. This is going to be our card base. Oops, sorry. So I'm going to just take this. I printed this double-sided, so I printed this myself, and it's a half of an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper here. I'm just going to fold that in half. That's going to be our card base. Then you're going to have a couple of pieces that look like this. So I cut my bigger piece out of plain cardstock and then a pattern paper, and this one I only printed on one side. So I'm just going to glue the mat down on here first. And you're going to have another piece that looks exactly like it. So we're going to do the same thing with this one. And one is going to go inside our card, and the other one is going to go outside of our card. And of course, if you wanted to, you could turn this into a scrapbook page. It doesn't have to be a card. Yeah, there's lots of things you can do. Okay, so I think just to make this easy, I'm going to glue this right down, sorry, to the front and to the inside. And then the inside. You could, if you wanted to, put, you know, a white piece on this side to sign the card, or... Okay, so you're going to have a piece like this. It's going to have a pull tab here. It's going to have 2 score lines in it. We're just going to fold it on the score lines like an accordion, like this. And you're going to have 5 small pieces that I actually cut out of the pattern paper that matches this one. Obviously you can do any kind you like. I'm just going to get these glued down. And I printed this, I actually printed mine on 12 by 12 paper, but you'll be able to print it on 8.5 by 11 if you want to. Add a photo in here, or a sentiment, or whatever. And like I said, you can add this to a scrapbook page if you want to. We are going to start, I think, in September, working on our mini album. It's been a busy summer, so I'm thinking when school's back in, we can be back in too. Okay, we're just going to put this on 2 sides here. You want the one with the half circle, and the next one, you don't want to do the last one because we're just going to glue that down to the front of our card anyway. So we're just gonna do things like that. This pattern paper was designed from one of the shells that I picked up in North Carolina while I was on vacation. And I took it and created some textured pattern paper with it, so it was really kind of cute. I'm happy with it. Okay, so what we're gonna do is take our last sheet. I'm just gonna put some glue on here. And obviously you can do this for any theme, any project that with any of the collections that we build, you know, from now on is no problem. Okay, so I'm gonna just get this right on the front of my card. Okay. And then I gave you a couple of sentiments. I actually just printed mine with a rectangle around them. And I'm just going to trim these out. My scissors. Out the way. I kind of like the black line, so I'm going to keep that. You can cut inside it if you want to. You can use your utility knife or your craft knife or whatever. I'm just going to go with my scissors here. Only because I need new blades for my craft knife. Otherwise I'd probably be doing it with that. I put this sentiment on here only because this is what I tell my children all the time. And my daughter has a birthday coming up, so I thought maybe I can actually use this as her birthday card. It doesn't say happy birthday, but she'll get the idea. Okay. And I'm just going to go with just in case you forgot right on the front. And you can actually put like some of the ephemera from one of the other collections on here to decorate it a little more if you wanted to. You could put a shell or, I don't know, anything really. Just in case you forgot. Okay, so now what you could do if you wanted to is you could add a little magnet in here. You could put a belly band on the front, but basically this is going to be our card. You can write in here and pull this. It just gives you a cute little extra card to play with. I hope you liked our project, and we will be back with more. Thanks for watching.